Firstly, sauté the finely chopped onions in a little oil in a pan, then add the grated garlic and sauté. Afterward, add the cooked chicken and the spices mentioned in the description and sauté. Add the chopped mushrooms and bell peppers, and sauté until the mushroom water evaporates. Finally, add the chopped tomatoes and mix until the tomato water evaporates. After the ingredients have cooled down, pour 2 tablespoons of the mixture onto soft lavash bread pieces, sprinkle some pizza cheese on top, roll them, and stick the bread together using the flour and water mixture. Then, fry the rolls in a pan with a little oil until golden brown. Serve these rolls with any desired sauce. Enjoy your meal.